In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your Facebook Business Manager from bans. Keeping your business manager safe isn't just about avoiding obvious policy violations. A lot of accounts get restricted because of security issues, missing information, or suspicious activity that could have been prevented. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you the key areas inside Meta Business Suite that you should check and maintain regularly. First, open Meta Business Suite. You can do this from your Facebook account by going to the menu and choosing the Business Tools or Business Suite option. Make sure you're in the correct business if you manage more than one by checking the business name at the top of the screen. Once you're inside, head over to Settings. This is usually found in the left-hand menu. Settings is your control center for permissions, security, billing, and all the details Meta looks at when assessing risk on your account. One of the biggest safeguards you can put in place is to use multiple admins. In the settings area, go to the section for people or business users and check that more than one trusted person has admin access. This protects you if one profile gets disabled, hacked, or loses access, because someone else can still manage the assets and communicate with Meta support if needed. Next, go to the Security Center. Here, Meta will actually highlight potential risks for your business account. You'll see descriptions of each risk and recommendations to lower that risk. This might include things like missing verification, weak security, or unusual activity. Go down the list and for each item, click the Take Action button. Follow the prompts and complete whatever Meta is recommending. The more of these you clear, the safer your business manager will be from sudden restrictions. After that, click on Billing and Payments. You want to make sure your payment methods are clean and consistent. Avoid using cards that have a history of declined payments or disputes on other ad accounts. Keep one or two reliable payment methods, ensure the billing information matches your business details, and remove old or suspicious methods you no longer use. Irregular billing behavior is a common trigger for reviews and bans. Now, go back to settings again, and this time open Business Info. This is where you confirm that all of your business details are accurate and complete. Make sure your business name, address, website, and contact information look legitimate and consistent with what appears on your website and other platforms. A well-completed profile helps Meta trust that your business is real and accountable. Finally, in the same settings area, activate two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for all users. This step is crucial. Turn on the option that requires everyone with access to your business manager to use 2FA on their personal Facebook accounts. This adds an extra layer of security, which reduces the risk of hackers getting in, running policy-violating ads, and triggering a ban on your entire business. By regularly reviewing these areas, admins, security center, billing, business info, and two-factor authentication, you create a strong safety net around your business manager and greatly reduce the chances of unexpected bans or restrictions.